Hi children, how are you? My name is Unisa. I am your maths teacher. Children, do you have a name? If yes, do you know your name? So what is your name? Now definitely you felt what happened to ma'am, why she is asking this kind of questions. Obviously everyone has a name and they knew their name also, isn't it? Why I am asking like so? Because one person is here who don't know his name. Do you want to know who is he? Let's have a look. It is a number, ma. It is a number and he don't know his name. Look how sad he is. Really, Nima? So we must help it. Making someone happy is a very good deed, Nama. So what is this number, ma? 365786. What, ma? 365786. How many digits, ma? This is a 6-digit number. Okay, ma? So do you have any idea that how you get your name? Let's find out. So this is the picture of cradle ceremony. So usually after when a baby was born, in a family, one important function is held, that is cradle ceremony. In this ceremony, babies get their names. So when they gave names to the babies, on what they observe, on which basis they gave the names? The first one may be the gender, either a baby girl or a baby boy. Girls have different names, boys have different names. So here, thank God, we don't have that problem. We have to give the name to a number. So we don't have gender problem. Now what's the second important thing? Maybe places. According to the places, they select their names. Like we are living in Andhra Pradesh. Mostly, how are our names? For boys, names like Srinu, Raju, Subbarao are common names. For girls, Lakshmi, Satya, Prabha, these kind of names are very common. In Kerala, Pillai, Nair, Iyengar, Iyer, these are the common names. In West Bengal, Chatterjees, Mukherjees, Basu, Tagore, Ray, Sen, some few common names. In Punjab, Kapoors, Chopras, Chaddas and Singhs, these are the common names. So in different places, different names are using. So let's understand the place values to give a number name to the number. So have a look children, this is the place value. To understand the place value, first you have to understand the periods, then places. Okay, ma? The first one is periods. So here in this class, we are learning 3 periods, ma. We are going to learn 3 periods. What are they? The first one is ones period, and the second one is thousands period, and the third one is lakhs period. Please repeat after me, children. The first one is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. Once again, children, ones period, thousand period, lakhs period. Children, do you observe something? While showing my fingers, for ones period I am showing 3 fingers, for thousand period I am showing 2 fingers, for lakhs period I am showing 2 fingers. Why? Because in ones period 3 places are there. How many, ma? 3 places. In ones period 3 places are there. In thousands period 2 places. In lakhs period 2 places are there. Okay children? So let's learn the places. In ones period, ones, tens, hundreds. What are the 3 places children? Ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period, thousand, 10,000. In lakh period, lakh, 10 lakh. So now our fingers like a magical wand, ma. They help us a lot. They help us to learn about places. Okay, ma? The place values. So the first one is ones period, thousands period, lakh period. Ones period, thousand period, lakh period. Now places, ma. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Thousand, 10,000. Lakh, 10 lakh. Here 7 fingers are representing 7 different places, ma. The little finger for ones place. So the ring finger for tens place. The middle finger for hundreds place. The index finger for thousands place. and the thumb for 10,000 place, and the left hand thumb for lakh place ma, and left hand index finger for 10 lakh place ma. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Say it again children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. These are the places ma. So we are learning 7 places and 3 periods. What are the 3 periods ma? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. Okay children, ones period, thousand period, lakh period. So we differentiate the periods in numbers with comma ma. With the help of comma, we differentiate the periods. Okay children, so we are learning 7 places. Okay children, so 10 lakh is a 7-digit number because it is occupying the 7th place nama. 10 lakh is a 7-digit number. Lakh is a 6-digit number. 10,000 is a 5-digit number. Okay ma, 1000 is a 4-digit number. 100 is a 3-digit number. Tens 2-digit number, and ones are a single-digit numbers. Okay children, so these are the digits ma. Okay children, now what is our number ma? 3, 6, 5, 7, 8, 6. How many digits are there? This is a 6-digit number. What are the 6-digit ma? 3, 6, 5, 7, 8, 6. Okay ma? So 6 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place. These 3 in ones period. Okay ma? And 5 in thousands place, 6 in 10,000 place. These 2 numbers in thousands period, and 3 in lakhs place. So this is in lakh period. Okay Nana? So 6 in ones place, so 6 ones 6. 8 in tens place, 8 tens 80. 7 in hundreds place, so 7 hundreds 700. These 3 in ones period. So what is the number ma? 786. What is the number? 786. So here 5 in thousands place, that means 5,000. 6 in 10,000 place, that means 60,000. So both together 65,000. Okay ma? 65,786. 65,786. And 3 in lakhs place. 3 in lakh place. So 3,65,786. Okay children, now pause the video and copy this table in a rough book ma. Okay children, so let's move to the next slide. So here I am repeating the same ma. 6 in ones place, so 6. 8 in tens place, then 80. 7 in hundreds place, 700. 5 in thousands place, 5,000. 6 in 10,000 place, so 60,000. 3 in lakhs place, so 3 lakhs. So what is the number ma? What is the name of that number? 3,65,786. Say it again children. 3,65,786. Is that clear ma? Okay. So tell the number to that. So look at this ma. We differentiate the periods with the help of comma. After 3 we put a comma, after 65 we put another comma ma, and 786. So what is this number ma? 3,65,786. Please repeat it again children. 3,65,786. Look at this one ma. This number is now very happy. So what he is saying, hey, my name is 3,65,786. Okay, he got his name. Let's find out who is in next place. Array, another number is also there, and he is bitterly crying. Look ma, and what he is saying, I don't know what my name is. Tell me my name. What is my name? He don't know his name, so he's asking its name. So what is this number children? 50495. So how many digits are there? This is a 5-digit number. What are the 5 digits ma? 50495. So what are the places ma? The little finger is ones place. This is in tens place. The middle finger in hundreds place, index in thousands place. This thumb represents the 10,000s place. Okay ma? So come to this one. 5 in ones place, so 5. 9 in tens place, so it is 90. 4 in hundreds place, that means that is 400. So these 3 in one period. So what is this number? 495. So 495. This is in ones period. So come to now thousands period ma. 0 in thousands place and 5 in 10,000 place. So both together we call it 50. 50,495. Okay children, what it is? 50,495. Okay ma? So have a look ma, this in this table ma. So ones in 5 in ones place, 9 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 0 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000s place. So what we call ma, what is the number name ma? 50,495. Okay ma? So tell this number to this one. So here observe this children, with a comma we differentiate the periods. We differentiate the thousand period from the ones period. In ones period we have 3 digits. In thousands period 2 digits ma. So 50,495. And look the picture ma. He's grinning. He's showing all his teeth. Wow, my name is 50,495. Okay ma? So do you understand children? Let's move to the next slide. Array, another person is there, another number is there and he's pleading ma. How sad he looks na ma. What he's saying, please help me to find my name. Even he don't know his name and he's pleading saying please, please, please. So come back to this number ma. What is this number ma? 4604509. How many digits are there children? Find out. 9054064. So 4604509. This is a 7-digit number. How many digits are there ma? 7 digits. So first place is ones place, then tens, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay ma? So this number occupies 7 places. What are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay children? So 9 in ones place. 9 in ones place. So 9 ones 9. 0 in tens place. 5 in hundreds place. These 3 in ones period ma. So we can add together ma. 509. What it is ma? 509. 4 in thousands place and 0 in 10,000 place. So this is 4,000. So 4,509. Okay ma? 509, 4,000. So come to lakhs place ma. 6 in lakhs place, 4 in 10 lakhs place. So 46 lakh 4,509. Okay children, say it again. 46 lakhs 4,509. So what is the name of this number ma? 46 lakh 4,509. Okay children. So what is this number ma? 46 lakh 4,509. And here we differentiate the periods with the help of commas. Do you observe this one ma? We differentiate the periods with the help of commas. So we differentiate the hundreds, ones periods and thousand period with the comma, and we differentiate the thousand and lakh period with the help of comma. So what he's saying ma? He's thanking us. He's saying thank you, he helped me to find my name. So hey, my name is 46 lakh 4,509. Okay children, let's find out what is in the next slide. Oh, another 10 numbers are there who don't know his name. Now you are familiar. You know how to give the name to the numbers. Are you? So this is a worksheet for you ma. You have to give the number names for these following numbers. Okay children? Okay children, now what you have to do, ma, you have to pause this video and copy the all the numbers, and you have to write the number names for these numbers, and you have to send it to me, ma'am. Okay children, so tell me children, how is the topic? I hope that you enjoyed and learned also. Practice number names children. Why? Because practice makes man perfect. So practice well, ma. Thank you children. Have a nice day.